Welcome to my channel. If you're ready to learn how to turn $100 into a solid foundation for financial independence, you're in the right place. In today's video, we're diving into strategies that are not only practical, but also perfectly tailored for the opportunities the world offers in 2025. The journey to financial independence doesn't require thousands of dollars or advanced degrees. It begins with small, consistent steps and the right mindset. Stick with me, and I'll guide you through 6 key strategies to grow your wealth. From safe, reliable methods to more ambitious ones, there's something here for everyone. Let's get started by talking about the one thing that underpins everything: mindset. The 2025 wealth building mindset. Financial independence isn't just about making money, it's about how you think and act over time. We live in an era where technology has leveled the playing field. AI, blockchain, decentralized finance. These tools are everywhere, and they're revolutionizing the way we approach wealth building. But there's something timeless about this process: discipline. The best tools in the world won't help if you're not consistent. Whether you're investing, saving, or growing a side hustle, the power lies in starting small and sticking with it. Remember, patience is your secret weapon. Real wealth takes time to build, and compounding, whether it's through savings, investments, or knowledge, is your best friend. Keep this mindset at the center of everything, and you'll be ready to take advantage of the opportunities I'm about to share. High-yield digital savings. Let's start with the safest way to grow your money. Traditional savings accounts are a thing of the past. In 2025, high-yield savings accounts have gone digital, and decentralized finance platforms are leading the charge. Apps like Yieldly and BlockFi allow you to earn interest rates of up to 6%, far outpacing what banks offer. The best part? Many of these platforms are built with security features that rival or even surpass traditional systems. Think about this. Putting $100 into a digital savings account at 6% annual interest may not sound life-changing, but over time, compounding turns it into a significant sum. It's money that works for you, quietly growing in the background while you focus on other opportunities. Here's a tip: diversify. Split your savings between traditional accounts and digital platforms to ensure both security and growth. It's a small step that can make a big difference in your journey. Gold 2.0. Tokenized precious metals. Gold has always been a go-to for preserving wealth, but in 2025, we've moved beyond physical bars and coins. Enter tokenized gold. Digital assets backed by actual gold reserves. Platforms like Paxos or Tether Gold make it easy to own and trade fractional shares of gold with just a few clicks. Why is this a smart choice? Gold has proven to be a stable hedge against inflation, and now with tokenized options, it's accessible to everyone. You don't need a vault or a large upfront investment, just your smartphone and $100 to get started. Imagine owning a piece of a gold reserve in Switzerland without ever leaving your couch. It's secure, it's modern, and it's a great way to add stability to your financial plan. Investing in index funds and ETFs. Now, let's talk about something a little more ambitious: index funds and ETFs. These are the bread and butter of long-term investing. Platforms like Vanguard and Fidelity have made it easier than ever to get started, and in 2025, AI-driven tools take the guesswork out of building a portfolio. Let's break it down. An index fund is essentially a basket of stocks designed to track the overall market. It's low cost, diversified, and incredibly effective for growing wealth over time. Here's an example. If you invest $100 in an index fund, like the Vanguard Total Stock Market ETF, you're essentially buying a small piece of thousands of companies. As those companies grow, so does your investment. What's even better? Automated platforms now use AI to optimize your portfolio. They analyze market trends, adjust your investments, and ensure you're on track, all while you focus on your day-to-day life. Consistency is key. Even small, regular investments add up over time, and with compound interest in the mix, the results can be life-changing. Real estate for everyone. Real estate has always been one of the most reliable ways to build wealth, but buying property outright isn't realistic for most people. Thankfully, 2025 has brought us fractional real estate investing. Platforms like Fundrise or Arrived Homes allow you to invest small amounts, sometimes as little as $10, in income-generating properties. You'll earn a share of the rental income plus any appreciation in the property's value. Think about this. With just $100, you could own a piece of a luxury apartment complex or a vacation home. These platforms handle everything from management to maintenance, so you can enjoy the benefits of real estate without the headaches. Now we're stepping into the cutting-edge world of AI-driven stock investing. In 2025, AI tools like Zacks AI or platforms powered by ChatGPT analyze market trends, company performance, and even industry projections to help you make informed decisions. Let's say you're interested in renewable energy stocks. An AI tool can quickly identify companies with strong growth potential based on real-time data and predictive analytics. It's like having a personal financial advisor, only faster and more precise. If you're starting with $100, focus on sectors that are booming in 2025, like AI technology, renewable energy, or space exploration. Combine AI insights with your own research, and you'll be well positioned for success. Entrepreneurship and digital flipping. Let's shift gears and talk about hands-on wealth building. If you're entrepreneurial, flipping items online can be an incredibly effective way to grow your $100. Platforms like Facebook Marketplace, Depop, and Mercari are perfect for finding undervalued items to resell. One example? Retro gaming consoles. A viewer recently shared how they turned $100 into $1,500 by buying and reselling vintage Nintendo gear. This strategy requires time and effort, but the payoff can be significant. And in 2025, tools like AI-driven pricing apps make it easier than ever to spot good deals. Combining strategies for maximum growth. Now that we've covered 6 powerful strategies, let's talk about how to combine them for maximum impact. Financial independence isn't about choosing one path. It's about diversifying and adapting. Start with the safest options, like digital savings or tokenized gold, to build a secure foundation. Then, branch out into index funds, real estate, or even entrepreneurship. Remember, it's not about how much you start with, it's about staying consistent and making smart choices. Even $100 can grow into something significant when you leverage the right tools and strategies. Thank you for joining me on this journey. If you found value in today's video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. Here's to building a brighter financial future, one step at a time.